to COVID-19 pandemic, the entire nation has suffered. The economy has suffered, but also there is a ray of hope in everything. The ray of hope is footwear industries, which can give employment to the entire India. And we are here at the office of Asian Shoes, and we are joined by Rajendra Jindal, the owner of this company. Sir, thank you very much for speaking with us. Sir, one straight question. The footwear industry is the only industry which can provide employment to the entire nation. So, how this is providing to employment to everyone, and what are the difficulties you are facing?
As you say, as you said, the footwear industry is the industry which is providing the maximum employment and which has the potential to provide maximum employment to our nation. In this industry, we have particularly women workers, which they can work in upper manufacturing of different type of products. This means this industry is the heavy best potential maximum employment providing industry is the footwear industry nowadays.
Sir, if I talk about the China, because your main competitor is China, then everybody wants that the import should be banned from China, and the local for vocal, while the Prime Minister had said should grow. What is your take on this?
I can say that from China the import duty from China is 35%, but from free trade nations like Vietnam, like Indonesia, like Thailand, the duty is just 5%. That's why the finished goods is moving from China, from not from China, but from China to Vietnam, where the duty is just 5%, which is hurting our industry at a very big level. We request the government that the import of finished footwear from neighboring countries, from free trade nations countries, should be banned, or on the duty should be hiked like China.
Sir, as you have told us that you are providing a business opportunity as well as employment to everyone, especially to women. So, what is your request to the government of India and to the state government to help you out from the crisis? I
Definitely.
mean to say that to whole footwear industry.
Government is helping the footwear industry, no doubt. Everything is okay. But if the raw material which we are getting nowadays a very shortage of raw material is not available in the market. Just like resin, EVA, basic raw materials are not available. On the basic raw materials, there is some anti-dumping duty imposed on the raw materials used in the footwear. So we have requested the government to please consider it. We want that footwear industry should get the raw material available at reasonable cost, so that our cost of manufacturing can come down, and footwear industry can export the finished goods also. So it can be competent. If we get the raw materials at a reasonable cost, then our product cost will be low, and we will be able to export our product in the global market also.
Thank you very much for speaking with us. So he was Rajendra Jindal, the owner of Asian Shoes, and he's saying that the footwear industry is providing business opportunity as well as the employment to everyone, especially to women, and that is why he's requesting the government of India that there is a crisis in collecting the raw material, and if governments would come forward to help them out, they have potential to beat China.